so big, so much to do and see.
Let's go see.
I'm a young prospector, prodigy. I can't succeed in being you.
So what to do?
So you be you and I'll be me. I'll be me. I just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo,
Just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo, Kujo. Kujo, Kujo,
Just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo, Kujo.
Well, hello friends. My name is Kujo and this is my workshop. I'm so glad that you could join us. It looks like we have a special message from one of our viewers. Let's see who it is.
Kujo, my name's Harvey, and I just turned 4. I live in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And I was wondering, I want to learn about more of my teeth.
Hi, Kujo. It's Adjoa. I was wondering, could you tell me more about teeth?
Today, we're gonna learn about the importance of our teeth. But in order to help us understand the importance of our teeth, we have to understand a couple of key words. The first being, what are the functions of our teeth? Second, dentist. And the third, the importance of taking care of our teeth. Teeth functions. You have 4 different types of teeth. You have your incisors, you have your canine, you have your molars, and you also have your premolars. Let's take a look. Incisors. These teeth are used for cutting and chopping up food. Canine. There are 4 of them, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, and they help tear food. Your premolars. You have 8 premolars in all, 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. Your premolars are bigger and stronger, and they're perfect for crushing and grinding food. Your molars. You have 8 of these, 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. Your molars grind up food and mash it up until it's completely ready to be swallowed. And then, when you get much older, you have your wisdom teeth. And these might have to be removed because they can cause problems with the other set of teeth that you might have. But you're not going to have to worry about these ones till you get a little bit older. Dentist. The earliest dentist known by name is Hesi Ray. He lived in Egypt, which is in Africa, over 5,000 years ago. The dentist is a doctor that's trained to take care of your teeth. When you visit for a checkup, your dentist will look at your teeth and gums to check for any kind of problems. A dentist also wants to make sure that your teeth are growing properly. Importance of taking care of your teeth. Your teeth are great for chewing, but you also need them to talk. Different teeth work with your tongue and your lips to help you form sounds. For example, try saying the word la 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 or tooth. You will notice how your tongue gravitates to the top part of your mouth and also to the top part of your teeth. Plaque. Plaque is a thin, sticky layer containing bacteria that grows on your teeth. If it's not monitored properly, this plaque will then turn into a cavity. And a cavity is decayed or rotten part of your tooth. Flossing, brushing, and eating healthy foods are extremely important in eliminating any potential health issues with your teeth. All right, we're gonna find out how to properly take care of our teeth by flossing and brushing. we're gonna take a look with a dental hygienist that's gonna explain to us how to properly take care of our teeth.
Is you gotta put the floss in between the teeth and make a C shape and hug it, okay? You gotta do it on both sides, okay? Hug both sides, okay? Same all around, for the bottom to the top, okay? So when we're brushing our teeth, we gotta make sure we massage our gums and brush away, okay? Massage, brush. Same for the top. You're gonna massage, brush down though. Massage, brush down, okay?
Now that we know a little bit more about our teeth, why don't we go and see a dentist to find out some more interesting facts about our teeth? Hey Kujo, it's your buddy, and Gen Z. Alright, I don't know what you're thinking in going all the way over to the dentist, knowing fully well that you're petrified of going to the dentist. I don't know what in this God's green earth has prompted you to all of a sudden take interest in going to the dentist. Now, Kujo, there's plenty of toothbrushes and plenty of toothpaste all around the house. Kujo, it's me, Owa Jay-Z. Listen, don't listen to this foolish boy. You need to go to the dentist in order to clean your teeth. When was the last time you've gone to the dentist? Floss and toothbrush alone will not clean your teeth. You will need also to go to the dentist. It is better for you. Don't listen to this one.
World so big, so much to do and see. I'm a young prospector prodigy. I can't succeed.
Hi, my name is Kujo, and I'm with Dr. Sahar from the
Dental Care for Children.
Excellent in Calgary, Alberta. So we're gonna find out some fun things with Dr. Sahar. So first things first, why did you decide to become a dentist in the first place?
You know what, that's a hard question, but an easy question too. I guess I just really love teeth. I've always been fascinated by them. Everybody's got them. Everybody likes to talk about them. And I think I just had a natural attraction to them.
Okay, right on, right on. What would you tell our friends that are watching what they can do to have a brighter and healthier smile?
So the first thing is to use it. Smile every day to everyone. It's a really easy way to make friends, right? So you gotta use a smile if you got a smile, right? And then to keep it looking bright and shining, we gotta brush every day, twice a day. And what's really important that sometimes people forget to do but makes all the difference is you gotta be flossing every single night.
Flossing every single night.
Every single night.
Perfect. And what can we also do, let's say, if we want to not have smelly breath? What do we need to do to make sure we don't have a smelly breath?
So we gotta be brushing every day, like I said, every morning, every night. We gotta be using toothpaste with fluoride every morning, every night. We gotta be flossing to get rid of all the bits of food and the germs that live between your teeth that sometimes have a smell. And what most people forget is we gotta brush our tongue too.
We gotta brush our tongue as well, okay. And then the next question I have in regards to teeth is that how often should people come to the dentist?
Well, you know, you're welcome to visit us anytime, but minimum, we gotta see the dentist every 6 months for a checkup. And minimum, we gotta get our teeth cleaned every 6 months. And sometimes people just need to get their teeth cleaned more often as well. And sometimes we gotta get x-rays almost every year or so.
Okay, excellent. And what would be some advice you can give in regards to foods that we should be eating that are gonna help us with our teeth?
Foods that help us with our teeth. Well, I think we all know the things that don't help us with our teeth, right? Toffee, taffy, gummies, jubes, things that stick in our teeth, stick in those grooves and valleys, those can cause a problem. They're okay once in a while, but not every day. We should try to stick to snacks that are less likely to cause cavities. So things like nuts and cheese and vegetables. They're good for our bodies, but they're also really good to clean our teeth in between brushing.
Oh, right on. Excellent. Well, thank you so much for joining us today on Kujo's Kids Zone with Dr. Sahar. And, that's all the time we have for today. But remember to be kind, to be brave, and to be curious. But most importantly is to be yourself. Bye for now. I would like to give a special thank you to Harvey all the way from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Thank you so much for your question about teeth. And I'd also like to give a thank you to Adjoa for a great question about teeth as well. And we can't forget to give a special warm thank you and also a token of appreciation to the Dental Care for Children here in Calgary, Alberta. Thank you so much for teaching us about our teeth and also allowing us to use your facility. Thank you so much. If you have a question that you want to go ahead and ask me, please shoot a video stating your name, your age, your location, and of course, don't forget to ask your question. Your parents can join in on the fun as well. Send your video at the email address below, and we'll do our best to answer all of your curious questions. If you like our videos, please click on the subscribe button. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, and on Facebook. For more information about our show, please visit us at kujoskidzone.com. Bye for now.
So big, so much to do and see.
Let's go see.
I'm a young prospector, prodigy.
A prodigy, a prodigy.
I can't succeed in being